Welcome back, everybody. I am Matteo from the University of Coloma. How are you today? You know what? I'm still looking for the pistol. Question. Is the pistol in the iPhone 3GS? You don't know. I don't know. But we will try to find it. With the frag machine. The only machine that can process and separate electronic scrap in a 100% eco-friendly way. Franco, where are you? Oh, Frankie. We share a lot together. We had a good time. But we have to frag it. Look. The iPhone is ready to be fragged. Attenzione. Frankie, you ready? Let's go! Selective fragmentation is our business. Look, come on. But there is no piston in this iPhone. But look, we broke it into pieces perfectly. It's magical. Only the frag machine can do that. But tomorrow, we will frag again. And don't forget, pulse it up. Franco, I'm waiting for a business call. Please, run to buy me a new iPhone. Now, run!